Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a PNC Bank customer and you've heard about Zelle but aren't sure how to get started, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through setting up Zelle with your PNC account step by step. It's super easy and will let you send money to friends or family in minutes, right from your phone. First things first, what's Zelle? It's a secure app that connects directly to your bank, allowing fast transfers without fees in many cases. With PNC Bank, it's integrated right into their mobile app, making it convenient and hassle-free. Before we jump in, ensure you have the PNC Bank app downloaded on your smartphone and your account login details handy. You'll also need a valid email or phone number for verification. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open the PNC Bank app and log in to your account using your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen. Step 3. Look for the Zelle option. It might say, Enroll in Zelle, or something similar. Tap on it to begin setup. Step 4. Follow the prompts to link your email or phone number. PNC will send a verification code, enter it to confirm. Step 5. Add contacts by searching for their email or phone number. Zelle will check if they're enrolled. And just like that, you're set up. A quick tip. Always verify the recipient's details before sending money to avoid errors. Also, keep an eye on your daily transfer limits, which are set by PNC for security. If you encounter any issues, like app glitches, reach out to PNC's customer support. They're usually helpful. There you go, now you can use Zelle to split bills or send gifts instantly. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.